Ano po yung ibig pakahulugan ng sinabi na sa ni Kristo po, bago po kay Abraham daw. Before Abraham was I am, yung sinabi po ni Kristo.
Di siya'y nandoon na. Before Abraham, nandoon na siya. He exists. Nakasulat kasi yun, nakita ni Abraham ang aking kaarawan at siya'y natuwa. Sumagot yung mga Hudyo. Wala ka pa 50 taon, nakita mo na si Abraham? Sumagot si Jesus. Katotohanan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, bago ipinanganak si Abraham, ako nga. Ano ibig sabihin? By logic and by biblical interpretation, nandoon na siya before Abraham. Kasi, ang tanong sa kanya mga Hudyo, wala ka pa nga 50 taon, nakita mo na si Abraham? Sagot niya, bago pa pinanganak si Abraham, ako nga. Ibig sabihin, andun na siya.
Kasi po, sa inyo po, ang paniniwala niyo si Kristo po ay Diyos, ba?
Oo.
Ngayon po, existed na, Diyos po siya. Diyos.
Ano?
Nag-exist po siyang as in God.
He have always existed as God. Because He is called in the Bible as the Son of God. Ever since the beginning of times. Ang sabi kasi dun sa, pakinggan mo, babasahin ko The Lord possessed me in the beginnings of His ways, before His works of old. I was set up from everlasting, from the beginning, or ever the earth was, when there were no depths. I was brought forth, when there were no fountains abounding with water. Before the mountains were settled, before the hills was I brought forth. While as yet He had not made the earth, nor the fields, nor the highest part of the dust of the world, when He prepared the heavens, I was there. Nang yung itatag niya yung langit, ando na ako. Therefore, He is older than, inexistent than the heavens. Ginagawa pa lang ng Diyos yung langit, nando na siya.
Ba't hindi po siya nami-mention sa Old Testament?
Old Testament? Hindi, maraming mention sa Old Testament sa Kanya. Pakinggan mo Dito rin sa Proverbs chapter 30 verse 4, ito nakasulat. Who hath ascended up into the heavens, or descended? Who hath gathered the wind in his fists? Who hath bound the waters in a garment? Who hath established all the ends of the earth? What is His name? And what is the name of His Son, if thou canst tell? Ano ang pangalan niya? Ano ang pangalan ng kanyang anak kung iyong nalalaman? Kaya hindi pa ginagawa lahat ng bagay, may mag-ama na may mention siya, hindi mo palang nababasa.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.